Hello America, I'm Emanuela Joseph from ENA News, reporting live from northern Canada. Our topic of the day is life in the tundras. Today we have Natalie Hines and Allyson O'Grady to tell us a little bit about them.
I'm so excited to be here.
I'm so excited to have you guys. So let's start off with the basics. Can you guys give me some characteristics about tundras?
Okay. Tundras are one of the coldest and harshest biomes. They are treeless ecosystems found in the Arctic, on top of mountains, and are cold climates that are windy and the rain is minimal.
Also, there is low biotic diversity, limitation of drainage, and there's a short season of growth and reproduction.
There are 3 types of tundras.
Really? What types are there?
There's the Arctic, the Antarctic, and the Alpine.
Okay, after this short commercial break, we'll talk a little bit more about each of them. Welcome back to ENA News. Now we will discuss the 3 types of tundras in detail. So what type of tundra are we in right now?
We're in an Arctic tundra.
Can you tell us a little bit about Arctic tundras?
It is located in the northern hemisphere, usually northern Canada, Siberia, and Alaska.
They usually have long, cold winters and short, cold summers, with low precipitation and dry winds.
So what type of animals are located in the Arctic tundras?
There are reindeer, polar bears, foxes, wolves, migrating birds, and rabbits.
Okay. And what type of plant life is found in the Arctic tundras?
It's mostly mosses, grass, lichens, scrubs, and cotton grass.
Okay. And now for the Antarctic tundras. Can you tell us a bit about those?
They're found in Antarctica, several Antarctic and subarctic islands such as South Georgia and South Sandwich Islands.
Also, it is too cold and dry to have lots of vegetation, and it's mostly covered in fields of ice, and some parts have rocky soil.
Now can you tell us a bit about the Alpine tundras?
They're usually found on high altitudes of Earth between 11,200 feet and 12,000 feet.
Also, they lack trees, and they don't usually have a permafrost.
Can you tell us a bit about the plant life in alpines?
It's mostly moss, lichens, sedges, perennial grasses, and cushion plants, but it's mostly caribou moss.
How about the animals found?
There are goats, caribou, marmots, elk, and pikas.
Okay, weird animals. So what are some problems affecting tundras in general?
It's mostly the melting of the permafrost because it changes the landscape and it affects the species that live in there. Another one is air pollution caused by smog that contaminates the lichen.
So how about natural resources? Which ones are found in all 3 tundras?
There are plants, animals, uranium, and oil.
Okay, oh man, we're running out of time. Thank you so much for coming, ladies. Now we know a lot more about tundras than we did before.
Thank you for having us.
Anytime. Tune in next week to find out more about different biomes.
Hemisphere. Usually in Alaska, Canada. Okay. Northern Hemisphere. Snap out of Antarctic and the Alpine. Wow, okay, that's a great description of this. So, that's not good.